Are you struggling with implementing improvement initiatives that actually improve your bottom line? Many organizations take the approach that each project must individually deliver cost savings, but that's not enough. Projects that individually have high cost savings estimates might not actually save real money. A cost allocation might change, but there isn't a true cost reduction, and thus no true improvement to profitability. To ensure that improvement initiatives will actually improve the business, specific measurable goals need to be identified. Based on these high-level goals, specific metrics and goals should be developed at the lower levels so that the individuals working on delivering value can measure their processes in an appropriate way. Based on the executive-level goals, the most important and impactful value streams should be selected for value stream mapping analysis. Then teams will work on making the improvements. If projects are selected in this way, they will be aimed at hitting high-level company goals, not simply cost savings. And the results will certainly be felt in the bottom line.